Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax messages from your Emporia Smart 5. Okay, so at the start we have to open Play Store, then look for the fax app. You will find a lot of them in the Play Store for sure. I'm always using the Easy Fax. So now we have to open it. Add the permissions to the camera and to the files is necessary for this app. Now tap on the plus to add a document and choose source of it. I will pick something from my gallery, like this one. You can also select more than one picture, of course. Now if you click import, add this shape to your document, and click arrow. Now choose the filter for it to make it more visible. And you can add a signature, text and the graffiti by these icons. If you already click accept and type the number in this place. And don't forget to choose the country from the list. Optionally can give a small note here. If you want to add more documents, maybe from the other source, click on this little plus and do it like before. But if you want only send this one, just buy the credits, click on this button and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.